Microsoft had to file a formal request to get your iPhone talking to your Windows PC. Apple said yes in 2027. Here's what happened. Back in March, Microsoft filled in a form. Not a partnership, not a phone call, a form. The one Apple built in Europe because a law told it to. And the ask was almost embarrassingly small. Let people copy something on an iPhone and paste it on a Windows PC. Apple already does this. It's called Universal Clipboard. It's been moving text between your Mac and your iPhone since 2016, and it works beautifully, as long as every device you own has an Apple logo on it. Everyone else emails things to themselves like it's 2009. Most of these requests go nowhere. Apple publishes the numbers across its last full report. 102 came in, and nearly 70% never made it past the first review. This one, filed months later, did. In April, Apple moved it forward, and on June the 26th, Apple committed. Autumn 2027, which realistically means it reaches you in 2028. 18 months for copy and paste. Why? Because Apple isn't opening up the clipboard. Your Windows PC gets treated as an accessory. The same plumbing that lets a third-party smartwatch buzz on your wrist in Europe. You pair it, and you approve it once. From then on, every time you copy anything, iOS quietly taps that app on the shoulder and hands the contents over. And that is the actual story here. The hard part was never the engineering. Apple built this a decade ago. The hard part was permission. Android, by the way, has done this on Windows for years through PhoneLink. Nobody had to file anything. One catch. This is a European commitment. Apple has promised the rest of the world nothing. Some of these features do go worldwide later. Until one does, I'm the Tech Bard, and keep emailing yourself because Europe only sometimes stays Europe only forever. Subscribe if you want the 2027 follow-up, AI made, human checked before it went out, and if anything slipped, I'll want to know.